Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best iPhone 14 screen protectors you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The magnificent 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display of the iPhone 14 has arrived, and it is protected by ceramic shield glass. You need still spend money on a screen protector to shield your phone's screen from drops, scratches, and scuffs despite its robust protection against impact and drops. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 screen protectors 2022, so let's get started. 5. Spigen tempered glass. With a reputation for quality phone protection, Spigen offers more than just phone cases. The 9H hardness tempered glass used to create the Easy Fit Glas.tr screen protector will shield your phone's screen from scratches, bumps, and drops. You receive 2 protectors in the box, allowing you to share one with a friend or keep it as a backup in case you ever need it. The oleophobic coating repels fingerprints to keep your screen looking crystal clear. Spigen has provided cleaning wipes to get your screen ready for application, as well as an easy fit installation tray that makes installation straightforward. 4. ESR Ultra Tough. This glass protector from ESR is the last protection on our list. It is made of tempered glass with a 9H hardness and delivers military-grade protection. It also has an oleophobic coating to minimize fingerprints and smudges. Face ID never presents a problem, thanks to the ultra-clear glass, and the package also includes 3 protectors, 3 cleaning kits, an alignment frame for bubble-free installation, and detailed instructions. Your screen's oleophobic layer prevents smudges and fingerprints while also making it simpler to clean. 3. MFilm One Touch. This privacy screen protector is the ideal option if you conduct business on your phone, make payments, or do anything else that requires you to conceal your screen from prying eyes, and yes, keeping your successful Wordle strategies hidden counts. Once in place, you can only see your screen while looking directly at it. Any other angle will make it appear hazy or dark. This screen protector has an oleophobic coating to deter fingerprints and is composed of 9H hardness tempered glass for drop and scratch protection. Along with 2 protectors, everything you need for a flawless, hassle-free installation is included in the box. 2. SuperShields tempered glass. This 2-pack of screen protectors from SuperShields is our top recommendation for folks on a tight budget. These tempered glass protectors, which you can get for about $10, provide a 9H hardness rating, 99.99% HD clarity, and 2.5D rounded edges for comfort. You can bring your phone to the gym or on a run without worrying about fingerprints or sweat, and these screen protectors won't leave any residue behind after being removed, either. You'd be hard-pressed to find a better alternative for less than $10, but the low cost makes us wonder just how much drop protection these protectors actually offer. 1. Dome Glass Whitestone. What provides excellent screen protection for your iPhone 14 for less than $15, is simple to install. Easy Glass Screen Protector from Whitestone. Tempered glass with a 9H hardness prevents scratches and scuffs, and an oleophobic coating repels dirt and fingerprints to keep your screen clear. You won't even notice this screen protector is there because it is high touch sensitivity and shatterproof. There are 3 protectors included in the box, so you can keep one as a backup or give the other 2 to friends or family. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.